Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. When it comes to acne-prone skin, some sunscreens can feel like they're breaking you out even more, from stinging your open blemishes and being too painful to use. So let's check out some of the best sunscreens for acne-prone skin. When searching for a sunscreen, you want to look for ingredients that don't cause stinging or irritation. And since there's already acne on the skin, you want to look for something that doesn't contribute to more redness and won't clog pores. You should look for formulas that are not too heavy or greasy on the skin. Mega Shade Sunscreen gives your skin a little bit of a glow while working great on acne-prone skin. While this sunscreen doesn't contain acne-fighting ingredients, it has niacinamide, tea tree, and ceramides, and it's made for breakouts and sensitive skin. It's SPF 50, fragrance-free, and has a very liquidy serum-like texture, which makes it great for reapplying. It blends very easily and gives a nice glow to the skin while not looking too greasy. The Elta MD UV Clear Broad Spectrum 46 formula is made by doctors and dermatologists specifically for acne-prone skin. This is an oil-free formula that helps calm and protect sensitive skin types prone to discoloration and breakouts associated to acne and rosacea. It has niacinamide, zinc oxide, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E. This is an incredible sunscreen for those who suffer from acne and hyperpigmentation because of the niacinamide in the formula. Carlson Sebum Perfect UV Shield SPF 50 PA is a milky brightening sunscreen that is great whether you have oily or dry acne-prone skin. It literally says no sebum and it's a mineral cruelty-free formula, so it's less likely to sting the eyes or open blemishes. It has tea tree, which is antimicrobial and antibacterial. It won't erase acne, but it is definitely an excellent choice for someone who's acne-prone. It goes on sheer and doesn't feel too greasy on the skin. It's also super affordable and retails for about $15. If you're looking for a sunscreen with oils that are nourishing to acne-prone skin, you might like the Avore Glow Pure Protection Invisible Mineral Face Sunscreen SPF 30. It's a silky formula that's great for sensitive skin and contains sea buckthorn oil. Sea buckthorn oil is very nourishing to the skin, has antioxidants, vitamin C, and can help with wound healing, which is great for open blemishes and has minimal stinging. It's also got grapeseed oil and pomegranate seed oil, which also have antioxidants and are great for skin healing. This sunscreen formula is made for acne-prone skin. And that is all we have today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find it beneficial. Let me know in the comments below what type of skin you have and what your favorite sunscreen is. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. I love you guys so much, and remember to stay beautiful.